Everyone knows Procolored main focus on DTF print, but many new customers are still confused about what DTF printing actually is. In today's video, I will explain what DTF printing is, how it works, what its pros and cons, and how to get started if you want to try it yourself. DTF means direct to film, which distinguishes from direct to garment. Unlike other printing methods, DTF delivers vibrant colors and a quick, clean workflow, making it a unique and efficient technology. Compared with DTG printing, DTF doesn't require any pre-treatment process. And the best part, it's much more forgivable when placing your design. You can actually place and preview your artwork on the garment first. Impress it when you are ready. Compared to sublimation, DTF works on a much wide range of material, not just polyester or light-colored fabric. And unlike screen printing, there is no need to make a printing plates in advance. Screen printing is usually limited to single color, so if you want multiple colors, you will need multiple plates, which takes time and costs more. DTF printing eliminates all these complicated, messy steps. It's simple, efficient, and durable, making it almost the perfect choice for small batch customer order. And DTF printing is incredibly versatile. You can apply it to t-shirts, hoodies, hats, and so much more. To complete the entire DTF printing process, you will need 3 machines and 3 types of consumables. The machines are DTF printer, a curing oven, or powder shaker, heat press. As for the consumables, you will need DTF ink, DTF transfer film, and adhesive powder. Next, I will explain what each of them does and how they work together to create your final print. After printing, a layer of adhesive powder is applied onto the film. When the film with the powder goes through a dry shaker or cure oven, the powder melts and sticks firmly to the printed design on the film. The film becomes a ready-to-use transfer, which can be applied to all kinds of fabric material with a heat press. Now you have know how each of these items works. Let me explain what's the setup that is ready for you. If you already have a heat press and only need DTF printing in small quantity for testing use, we recommend to buy DTF transfer from other suppliers. If it's your first time trying DTF and your budget is limited, you can start with an A4 size DTF printer and a curing oven. This setup is more affordable, but the printer was only about 8 inches. You can use a small handheld heat press for transfer. If your business is growing and you have a moderate order volume, we suggest an A3 size single-head printer. Its 13 inches wide is perfect for outside design, and it delivers better speed and print quality. If you handle large customer orders and need a high production capacity, we recommend a dual-head printer paired with a powder shaker. This setup significantly increases output and reduces labor cost. And finally, let's talk about the profit and the machine investment. When running a business, it's important to consider return on investment. Many of our customers recover their costs within just a few months, and after that, every printer is profit. We just talk 4 ways to start, so you should choose a correct way based on your own situation. Many of our users start small and not run successful print-on-demand brand and local shop. You can start from home or small studio, building your own brand. Procolored offers free online training and lifetime technical support to help your business success.